Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to read a few MCQs of The Solitary Reaper by William Wordsworth. Who is William Wordsworth? Romantic poet. What is the genre of the poem The Solitary Reaper? Ballad. When is the poem written and published? In November 5, 1805 and published in 1807. When and where was the poem inspired by Wordsworth? Wordsworth and his sister Dorothy stay at the village of Strathyre in the parish of Balquhidder in Scotland in September 1803. How is the poem made up of? The poem, made up of four octaves, follows a rhyme scheme of A B A B C C D D. What are the lines run throughout the poem? Iambic tetrameter lines run throughout the poem. What is an aim? An aim is an unstressed syllable followed by a stressed syllable. What is the meaning of tetrameter? Tetrameter means 4 feet in a line. What are the things brought beauty to the poem? The visual and auditory images, the comparisons drawn from nature, the rhythmic quality, and the fluent language of the verse. Whom does the poet come across? A lonely Highlander reaper girl. What is she doing? She is harvesting the crops and singing by herself. What does the poet urge the passers by? The poet urges them to stop there and listen to his song, or to pass by gently without disturbing her in her singing. Who composed the poem The Solitary Reaper? William Wordsworth. How does the poet compare the reaper girl's song with the sweet singing nightingale bird? With whom does the poet compare the reaper girl's song again? Cuckoo, another well known songbird. In which language is the girl singing? Her native Gaelic language. What does he guess about his song? He guesses it to be a mournful song about some old unhappy things and past battles. What did the poet see in Highland Valley? The poet saw her singing at her work, bending over her sickle. What is so impressive? The flow of her music. Where does the poet bear the flow of her music? In his heart. What is the theme of A Solitary Reaper? The poem's theme is the power of human imagination to see the transcendent in the everyday. What is the tone of the poem Solitary Reaper? The tone of The Solitary Reaper is admiration and awe. What is the meaning of Highland Lass? Highland refers to mountains and lass means a girl. What song is she singing? Melancholy song, which means sad song. Where is Highland Valley located? Scotland. What for does Nightingale sing? The Weary Traveller. What is the meaning of plaintive numbers? A sad song. What is the meaning of Vale Profound, Deep Valley? How many volumes was the poem published in 1807? 2 volumes. Who is known as High Priest of Nature? William Wordsworth. Thank you for watching.